All right, for the Haunted Mansion, it's only a 15-minute wait, and I know that they've done some work in here with the garden. So let's check out the new queue here at the Haunted Mansion. This is one of the new trees and the new fountain. Very, very pretty. And artificial turf. Got a little sundial here. This is actually the little sundial there. And the pet cemetery right here. I really like what they've done. They moved the pet cemetery on this side. And it looks really, really good. 15 minutes? Not at all. Walk on. Absolute walk on. I think, honestly, it was really busy in the beginning of the day, but I'd say towards 1 o'clock, it didn't seem busy at all anymore. And you couldn't even buy tickets, like if you went on the website. So I'm wondering if Disney's actually starting to listen when people were saying the park is too crowded, because half of the day it wasn't crowded at all. All right, we're also going to be testing out this low light mode on the DJI. Enjoy the Haunted Mansion, everyone.
Through the halls, whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that's the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
It's gonna be so jump scare. It's gonna be so jump scare.
And make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. They trace an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
I feel like I'm back in the bar.
There are several dominant ghosts who have retired here from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers?
Oh, you can see the... Whoa.
Frightfully sensitive to bright lights.
I do not remember this portrait. Is this new? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Is this a new portrait?
and witches, wherever you dwell. Give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling. Wait. You'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
We have been unavoidably detained by pranky spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy, please. We will continue our tour momentarily.
Can you guys spot where the hidden Mickey is? They're always changing it.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
They changed where the bride was at. She's now a screen. She used to be here in person. There's my favorite guy. That Mox Ghost. So skinny. Somebody feed the dog.
So right for the midnight train. Creepy creatures. Bringing ghosts out to socialize. Maybe I'm a girl, ringing a bell, the influence demons in this world. Restless fools of your life, rises from your paradise. When the curtain does bring phantoms, I feel my materialize. I'm ready to organize. Bring the ghosts out to socialize.
You are. And just in time. There's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our system, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Another thing that I wanted to mention about Haunted, because there's some other things that I saw in there, some portraits and that cat. That wasn't in here the last time I was there. They moved the bride, where she's like a hologram now instead of a physical bride. I am actively working on editing our trip, our 1 week cruise on the Disney Wish. And on the Disney Wish, they have the Haunted Mansion parlor. And I have to tell you, going in that Haunted Mansion parlor and now going on the actual ride, I got to tell you, it was even better than when I was on the ship. Because coming off of that and going into the actual ride and really comparing the two so close together in time, I gotta say, stay tuned for when I post our trip aboard the Disney Wish. You're gonna love that Haunted Mansion parlor. So stay tuned for that. I think they did a really good job here in Haunted Mansion, the renovations they did. Good job, Disney. I hope you had fun. We had an amazing view of Fantasmic and the fireworks. What more could you ask for? The weather was beautiful. If you had as much of a magical day as I did, do me a huge favor, subscribe to the channel. Click on that bell notification icon and give it a big thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Lots more to come. 2 whole weeks in Walt Disney World, a whole week at the Riviera, another week at the Grand Floridian, and a whole week on board the brand new Disney Treasure. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you had a magical, magical evening, and I will see you on the next adventure. Take care of yourselves, and of course, each other. Peace.